Can you use Notion without downloading? Ever felt the pull of Notion's sleek interface and powerful features, but hesitated because you didn't want to clutter your device with another app? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the question. Can you use Notion without downloading it? Notion has become a go-to productivity tool for many, offering a flexible workspace for note-taking, project management, and everything in between. But with the increasing emphasis on cloud-based solutions, the question of whether you need to download Notion to use it has become more relevant than ever. Part 1. The basics of Notion. What is Notion? A brief overview of Notion's capabilities and why it's so popular. Key features. Highlight essential features like databases, pages, and templates. The benefits of Notion. Discuss the advantages of using Notion for productivity and organization. Part 2. Notion's online platform. Accessing Notion online. Explain how to create a Notion account and access the platform through a web browser. The web app experience. Discuss the features and functionality available in the online version. Compatibility with different devices. Explore how Notion adapts to different screen sizes and operating systems. Part 3. Notion's mobile apps. The mobile app experience. Discuss the features and functionality available in the Notion mobile apps. Offline capabilities. Explore whether Notion offers offline access through its mobile apps. Benefits of using the mobile apps. Highlight the advantages of using Notion on the go. Part 4. Notion's desktop apps. The desktop app experience. Discuss the features and functionality available in the Notion desktop apps. Benefits of using the desktop apps. Highlight the advantages of using Notion on your desktop or laptop. Comparison to the online and mobile versions. Compare the features and performance of the desktop apps to the online and mobile versions. Part 5. Choosing the right approach. Factors to consider. Discuss the factors to consider when deciding whether to use Notion online, on mobile, or on desktop. Personal preferences. Emphasize the importance of personal preferences and workflow when choosing a platform. Hybrid approaches. Explore the possibility of using a combination of platforms for different tasks. Recap. Summarize the key points discussed in the video. Answer the question. Directly answer the question, can you use Notion without downloading? Final thoughts. Offer some final thoughts on the benefits of using Notion and encourage viewers to try it out. Encourage viewers to subscribe to the channel for more productivity tips and tech reviews. End the video with a memorable phrase, such as, "So." Whether you're a seasoned Notion user or just starting out, remember, the power of Notion is at your fingertips. No download required.